Well, Stoke Mandeville Stadium is a really special place. It's unique in that it's the birthplace of the Paralympics and where it all started. The funds that we've had from HS2 have been really fantastic. After 20 years, the sports hall floor needed replacing, and without that support, it wouldn't have been possible to renew the sports hall floor. And yeah, many thousands of local people, but also disabled people, will enjoy the benefits of using the facilities in the future.
I think bringing people together is really important, like having all these disabled people from all over the country coming to one place to play sports together is amazing, because it's quite easy to not see many people. Like, I've got a few disabled friends in the area that I live, but we don't play sports together. So to come and do something like this where everybody's kind of in the same boat but we're playing together, and like, it's nice to be a bit competitive.
I like doing the archery and bocce, and the new sport that they've done today, the pickleball.
Well, the Sports Festival is an opportunity for young and adults as well to have a go at a range of different sports. It's lovely that we can do it in an inclusive way using our own facilities, and the youngsters and the other people who come along get a load of joy and encouragement from taking part in sport. Sport can not only be great from a physical point of view and help with strength and well-being, but from a mental health point of view can help people to feel more confident, come to terms with their disability, and also it's very social. The more we're moving, the more active we are, the healthier and happier we'll be.